Hey YouTube, Prayer470 here, and today is July 18th, and if you guys could read that, it says Tadashi Studio. He is having a Japanese booster box, cold flare, and freeze bolt raffle. That is freaking awesome. These sets came out on last Saturday or Friday, and yeah, he's giving away two of them, one cold flare and one freeze bolt. This is a shout out for his raffle. You guys should enter it. This is gonna be an epic raffle. You could do FCBMs and stuff to get more slots to earn more ways to win. Tadashi Studio is just freaking awesome, doing all these booster box raffles and stuff. You guys should go check him out. It's Tadashi Studio up there. If you guys could read it. And yep, these booster box raffle, two of them, two new Japanese sets, and the cards are like awesome. Go check them out. Remember to rate, subscribe, and comment, and please enter his raffle. All right, okay, bye.